In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a duplicate photo on List Perfectly. There's two reasons why you may want to make a duplicate photo. One is if you accidentally delete a photograph while you're building a listing. And the second reason is if you want to show more details on a particular item and you didn't take a close-up photo when you did your photographs. When I go to build a listing in List Perfectly, I always right-click my edit symbol and choose Open a New Tab. I do that for several reasons. One is I can hold my place in the catalog if I'm on my not sold, not on eBay filter. I'm working through all of the photos I've taken to build my listings. I can work my way down and not lose my place. And two, you're going to see how it works if you accidentally delete a photo. So if I was to be building out these Just Fab jeans and I wanted to delete the measurements and the location, once I've got the listing ready to be cross-posted on multiple platforms, and I was going a little too quickly and accidentally deleted a picture of the tags here, I can go back into the catalog that I left open over here, right-click the edit key, open it again, and that picture would still be there. So that's one reason why you want to open a new tab to build your listings. If you make a mistake, if you save something, if you accidentally delete something, you can reopen it over here where it had not been changed yet and grab what you need. In the upper left corner, there's a chain. You can click that to bring up a new tab with that photo. Go to the listing you're working on, pull that tab down, grab the picture, and drag it into your listing. And it will put the photo right back in there. The second reason I mentioned is if you wanted to show some details on an item that you hadn't done a close-up photo of, whether you just forgot to or it didn't cross your mind until you were building the listing that maybe I wanted to show a close-up of the pockets, especially if you're doing jeans like Miss Me jeans that have those detailed, embellished back pockets. If you're doing a men's shirt and you didn't get a close-up of the graphic and it's a really great print, you may want a close-up photo of that for your listing. You don't have to pull the item back out of your inventory and take another photo. Simply click that chain on the upper left like I showed you. Pull that tab down, drag that picture in. On the picture in the middle is a pencil icon. That's your edit. You want to click that. You want to go down to crop, square mode, drag the corner all the way up to get it as small as the square will go, and place it over the detail you want to show. So if these were Miss Me pockets, I now have a close-up of those pockets. If it was a men's shirt with the print, I would now have a close-up of the print.